are we to understand that the police arrest yesterday was not based on any information that the middleman gave, given that he has not yet been issued a presidential pardon?
Yes. Yes. Right now, the person who has offered to give information has not given the full information yet, and the pardon has not been granted yet. What has been done is that I took the unprecedented step of signing a letter myself to the lawyers of this gentleman, saying that once he gives the evidence, and once that evidence it is shown through further proof that it can be corroborated, I will be advising the president to issue a immunity for the said person. So I think we should all keep in mind that this is a very delicate time, and this is not a time where I can just speculate.
Idħol fuq one.com.mt u hemmhekk tista' tara l-programmi kollha li jxandru fuq One permezz ta' One Play.